Now we show how to fold the pin root. Okay, first the corner, fold the corner to the center point to make it small. Okay, then fit both sides into the corner, into the center. Then fold the bottom to the center and drag to the center. Okay, after that, pull it out. And this side, pull it out. And now this side, we pull it out. And this side, we pull it out. Then fold from left to right. Okay, you point out then fold back. The same thing. Okay, fold into half to a small triangle. Okay, so fold like this. Then fold back, make a small triangle, and turn back. Do the same thing. Okay, then like this. Okay, then for grass. Food. Okay, it's a final one. Okay, now I show how to fold candle. First, fold down. Okay, then fold a bit. Okay, then turn back. This corner, point to the center. Okay, then roll it up. Okay. Okay, then for the inside. Okay. Okay, the last for this. And look kind of flatness. This is the final product. Now I show how to fold the pocket napkin. First fold down. Okay. Then from the left to the right. Okay. Then it's point up. Fold down to make a line here. Okay. Then for center. One more turn. And 2 turns. Okay, the same thing for 1 turn, 2 turns. Okay, they like this. Okay, then go back. Okay, turn for the half. Okay, this one for full. And then turn back. And now we can put a knife, dinner knife, and a dinner fork.